Hello students, welcome to class, and we are still in Unit 14, page 87, lesson number 3, Grammar Focus. Grammar Focus, comparisons with adjectives. And so we use adjectives to compare one thing with another thing. Look at the chart. And so look at the adjective first. Repeat this after me. All of the adjectives first. Large, long, dry, dry, big, beautiful, famous, good, bad. All right, and so you see the adjective, the base word, and then the comparative, and then the superlative. And so the superlative is the biggest, the longest, the fastest. Okay, say these after me. Large, larger, the largest. Long, longer, the longest. Dry, drier, the driest. Big, bigger, the biggest. Beautiful, more beautiful, the most beautiful. Famous, more famous, the most famous. Good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. All right? Make sure you have proper pronunciation. Bad, worse, worst. This is bad food. Yes, this food is worse than the food we ate yesterday. I think this is the worst food I've ever eaten. All right? Notice the superlative here, we use the largest, the longest, the driest. Look at the sentences. Which country is larger? Canada or China? Canada is larger than China. Which country is the largest? Russia, Canada, or China? Russia is the largest country of the three. What is the most beautiful mountain in the world? I think Fujiyama is the most beautiful. All right, you see this? We asked the question, which country is larger? Canada or China? And so we're comparing two. We're comparing two. Which country is larger? And so we say, which country is larger? The answer, Canada is larger than China. But in the next sentence, we're comparing three. And so we cannot say larger, we must say the largest. You're comparing two, you can use ER. But if you're comparing three, you must use EST, or an irregular adjective. Which country is the largest? Russia, Canada, or China? Russia is the largest country of the three. What is the most beautiful mountain in the world? I think Fujiyama is the most beautiful. All right, let's look at the chart. And this chart of comparatives and superlatives, and we'll try to learn some rules that can help us know when to say ER, when to say EST, and when to say most or more. All right? And so if you look, let's just read from the top. The dog, The dog is faster than the elephant. The horse is the fastest. The horse is bigger than the dog. The elephant is the heaviest. The dog is more energetic than the elephant. All right, faster. Okay, we're comparing two. Faster than, bigger than, heavier than. Okay, and the superlative, the horse is the fastest. The cheetah is the fastest animal in the world. The horse is bigger than. The dog, we're comparing two, bigger than. But the superlative is the elephant is the heaviest animal in the world. And the dog is more energetic than the elephant. Let's learn about some rules. You see the adjective, comparative, and superlative columns. If it's a one-syllable word, so we have one-syllable words, two-syllable words, and then we have more than two-syllable words. We can say multi-syllable words. One syllable, so we're looking at rules for one-syllable words, two-syllable words, and multi-syllable words. So that's what you have to think of. The one-syllable word, you just add ER. Fast, faster, and the superlative add EST. Fastest. Young, younger, the youngest. Tony is younger than Bill, but Angie is the youngest. Who is your youngest sister? Are you younger than me? So one-syllable words, just add ER for the comparative and EST for the superlative. One-syllable words ending in E, like rice or late, or nice or late, you just add R. It already has an E, and so you just add the R, and you just add the nicest. Okay? Nice, nicer, the nicest. Okay? You just add ST because the E is already at the end of the word. One syllable that has a consonant plus a short vowel. And so, because you study with me, you know the sound of the short vowels. Okay? So you know big is I. It's a short vowel. Big, you just add, you double the last consonant. So if there is a short vowel in the one-syllable word, you double the consonant, the final consonant. B-I-G becomes B-I-G-G-E-R, double G. And the biggest. Hot. The O is a short sound. That's how you know. Hot, hotter, hottest. You double the T, double T. All right, and so two-syllable words. Two-syllable words ending in Y, you drop, we say you drop the Y and you add an I. You change the Y to I. And so, and then you add ER. So H-A-P-P-Y becomes H-A-P-P-I-E-R. Happier, the happiest. C-R-A-Z-Y becomes C-R-A-Z-I, and we add the ER. So if it's a two-syllable word that ends in Y, you change the Y to I, and you add ER or EST. Craziest, the craziest. Don't forget to use the definite article, the craziest. Two or more syllables. Okay, if you have 2, 3, or 4 syllables, like energetic, then we say, or famous. Famous is 2 syllables, famous. And so we do not say famouser or famousest. We say famous, more famous, the most famous. Don't forget the definite article, the most famous. Beautiful. We do not say beautiful, beautifuler, beautifulest. I can't even say that. Beautiful, more beautiful, the most beautiful. All right? And so we can say this tree is beautiful. But this tree is more beautiful than that tree. But the tree over there is the most beautiful. Okay, so 2 or more syllables. There are some common exceptions. Let's look at the irregular. There are irregular verbs, you know, and irregular adjectives also. And so irregular means you don't add ER, you don't add EST, but you change the word. The same with the verb. Good, better, the best. Good, better, the best. I feel better today. Mark is the best footballer in the university.